I really need all you to understand.
What's up everybody, it's your boy Noah. If it's your first time here, I make videos on the best tech and tips to help you live a more hype life. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, so the AirPods Pro, are they worth the hype? Should you get them? Are they even better than the old ones? Is it worth the money? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm doing a quick unboxing to share with you guys my first thoughts and impressions of the new AirPods Pro. So let's get to it. As always, who needs these? That's them right here. Boom. Super, super nice. So this is what comes in the box. You have the actual case with the AirPods Pro in there. You have a charging cable, which looks like it's USB-C to Lightning cable. So they're sticking with that USB-C. And then you have two other options in here for earbuds, which is really good because the normal AirPods don't have that. Guys, I like this. I'm impressed. I love the small form factor. In fact, let me compare it to my other headphones. Take this case off real quick. First generation AirPods, here's the case, and then the new AirPods Pro. So they're really about the same size. It's just a little bit bigger compared to this big hefty dude. Like this guy, like look at the size difference. This is clearly a big size difference. And then if you look at the actual headphones themselves, these are just, like, honestly, they're actually smaller than those. If you look at this is actually smaller. Wow. I love the small form factor. I love how the AirPods themselves are very small. The case is very small, very sleek. This one actually is wireless charging as well, but just to kind of give a few features of what these new AirPods Pro can do, the biggest thing is the active noise cancellation. So they actually take the outside noise and also the noise that it hears in your ear, and it eliminates any extra noise that shouldn't be there. The second thing is transparency mode. So apparently when you hold the stem, you can actually pause noise canceling. So if you need to hear somebody who's talking to you or pause your music, it's all controlled by this stem right here. The third thing that's really exciting is actually these guys right here. It's the other bud option. So for me personally, I'm pretty good with any of these sizes. I think the medium will probably be fine for me. I think I have normal ears, but it's really cool they do give you these options because the normal AirPods, it's the one size fit all. And I know there's a couple people, actually a couple of my friends who are like, I just can't do Apple AirPods because of the fact that their headphones have just never fit in my ear. So it's good that they give a new customizable option for the users. The fourth and last thing is that they are sweat and water resistant, which is good. So it's not like you can go swim in them, but when it's raining, you don't have to worry about if they get wet. So another pro, another plus for this guy. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and just pair this guy up with my phone because this, man, I'm pumped. Connecting, done. Let's put him on. Oh, that was cool. So, whoa, hello? Whoa. Yo, that noise cancellation is real. I like basically did it and then it like everything opened up and I was like, why am I talking so loud? And it sounded like I was like muffled at first when I was talking in there. Let me do something pop related. Let's do some Ed Sheeran. Oh man, so the lyrics and like,
She ain't messing with no other
wow.
man. Me and her something different. I really need all you to understand.
My ears are in heaven right now, like.
Crazy, oh no, I'm sticking with my baby for sure to get.
Oh, this is awesome. Those are good. Those are exactly what the AirPods needed. I'm just got to end the video here because my ears were literally in heaven and I just want to listen to something for the rest of the night on these guys. Like, my next video has to do a comparison between the AirPods Pro and the Powerbeats Pro because there's some competition. I don't even know why like Apple even did that for the Powerbeats Pro because these might be better. So are you gonna get the AirPods Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think they're actually gonna be better than the Powerbeats Pro? I wanna know your opinions. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this video, guys, because I'm super excited to listen to these. So if you like this video, pound that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you later. You already know. Embrace the hype. Woo! Oh, I actually want to show you guys this because this was like really hilarious the first time I saw it. It's a man. It's a little homie. Enjoyed this video, go ahead and pound that like button. If you like this video, go ahead and pound that like. Don't tell me I have to really update.